All right, here is my infamous celery juice recipe. Please pause to see the ingredients as well as the benefits. So the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of those ends, those rough ends. Now I'm going to make sure that it's clean with my vegetable cleaner because don't nobody want no dirt in their celery juice. So make sure you pull the pieces apart, especially at the bottom. You got to clean as you go. So let me get rid of this. Let me clean up my workspace. Get in there. All right. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and cut up these longer pieces so that they will fit in my Vitamix. Remind me to make y'all a video about the benefits of beet juice that's in the background. All right, so let me continue cutting up these pieces. Perfect. Much, much better. So you got to clean as you go. We don't want no dirty dishes left over. So I'm going to go ahead and roll the lemons now so that I can get more juice out of them. Because I'm going to use an old school juicer. And all I can hear in the background is saying, put your back into it. Because I'm trying to get as much juice as possible out of this lemon. So now I'm going to use my mini strainer because I want to get all of those little bits that may have went through or came through. Let me get the rest of this. Okay, so now I'm going to pour one full bottle, which is 16.9 ounces. And roughly, I want to say like 5/6 of the second bottle. You can actually just use both bottles. It just depends on how thick you want your juice to be. So that's my leftover. All right, make sure you secure your top. I'm not going to tell y'all what happened the first time I tried this. So I'm going to put it on the blender here. And I'm going to turn the speed all the way up to speed 10. And I'm going to blend for 1 minute because I want to make sure that all of those fibers are blended really good. And perfect. That's about 1 minute. So now I have some mason jars here. So this is enough juice to fill up about 5 mason jars. So you see that froth that's on the top that came from the blender? So what you're going to see is I'm pouring it back into the blender again to kind of mix it up so that I can get more juice into the jars. Link in bio for those jars. These jars really come in handy, y'all. And here you have it. Fresh celery juice.